Alright guys, Classic Games United here. This is my new upgrade, GeForce RTX 3050, sorry. And this will be the new upgrade here. Alright, so I'm gonna install this now inside my small factor PC. Alright, now if you all saw the first video with the RX 6400 AMD card, install it, and because I am recording myself, I will need to show you everything, but I'm gonna install this card and I'm gonna install it in this. Alright, so I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm gonna take out the lid. Alright, and this here is the old graphic card. I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna install the new card. Alright, so I'll be back. Alright guys, I took out the old graphic card. This is the RX 6400 here. And hold on guys, hold on. This is the new card here. As you see, it has two fans. Understand? It's a new card, so it will be fitted in the slot, and I'll be taking out this other slot here. Alright, so this is it here, and I'm gonna put this card inside of there. Alright, so I'll be back guys. So we're gonna plug in the graphic card here into the blue PCIe slot. So I'm gonna plug that in there, and that should be for the installation guys. Alright, so once I plug it in, I'll be back. So the RTX 3050 is installed, as you can see. Alright, it's installed. I'm just gonna close this down, and that's it guys, it's installed. So now I'm gonna test out this card here now and see how it runs. Alright, so I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm now downloading the drivers for the RTX 3050, as you can see. Alright, for now the PC is very slow because it has no graphic card and no drivers. So once everything is installed guys, I will be back and I'll test out some games. Alright guys, new driver here. So I'm installing the driver here right now, as you see. Alright, so it's installing the new display driver. So after this is installed, I believe the PC should run as normal and it should be in the correct hertz. So right now I have 64Hz, and my monitor MSI gaming monitor is 144 Hz. So after this installation, everything should be fine, and we'll test out some games. Alright, so once everything's installed guys, I'll be back. Alright guys, so now the drivers are installing. So this is the game driver here is installing. So once it's finished installing, I'll be back guys. Alright guys, so the graphic drivers are finished installing. As you can see, everything has been installed. These are the games that I have here, and I was playing these games a little while and there is no issue. Alright, so I was just gonna test out Halo. I will test out Halo, and I will test out Halo for today, right? So you always see more gaming videos on YouTube channel, but for this test I'm gonna test Halo on high settings, right? So I'll be back in the game, and you always see the performance. I will put on the MSI afterburner, so you always see the performance, right? So guys, I'll be back. Alright guys, so in Halo here, and I'm just gonna show you the settings. This is Halo 4. We'll show you the settings right now. Alright, so this is the performance here. Everything is set to ultra. Okay, Halo 4. Alright, everything on ultra, right? So we get in 144 FPS. Right.
Hunters forced their way in and take this. Calibrate for heavy armor. Hunters!
You see guys, the FPS is good. GeForce RTX 3050.
Tilson's inside the door over there.
So that will be it for today guys. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. So as you all see the installation of the new GPU, GeForce RTX 3050. This card is pretty good for a budget card, low profile card, 6 gig RAM, and I'm using this card on PCIe 3.0. PCIe 3.0. So yeah, the card works pretty good on my old Dell OptiPlex 7010. So that you all enjoy this video guys. If you want more video like this, then subscribe, and I'm gonna take a rest now. Tomorrow I'll do some more videos, some tutorial videos tomorrow. So thanks for watching guys, take care and bye.